This tool is going to make you into a content creation beast because it will give you an unfair advantage to create amazing content within a minute without any kind of manual involvement with it. So, all those beautiful slides that you see on LinkedIn shared by influencers, or web graphics, or some infographic you see, you can make them very easily with some prompts here with this tool. And the tool's name is visme.co. It's an amazing tool. Not many people know about it, but it's such a big asset for me, and it might be for you too. So I'll show you how you do it. So you just go to visme.co, create an account, and just click on plus create. And you, let's say you want to create a presentation. So you click here presentation, because on LinkedIn those slides go very viral where people create slides. So okay, so we click on presentation, we click here create with AI. So let's make a presentation on GTM strategy for B2B SaaS startups. Let's try that. All this is live. Let's see how it's going to be. Okay. Okay. So now it's asking me choose a style. Okay. So B2B SaaS. I think this one looks better, right? Let's preview this one. Yeah, I think it's clean. It looks good. Use this style. Now it will generate the design. And we are ready. So let's see what it generated. So table of contents, goal and success metrics, acquisition channels, GTM objective and scope, define measurable business outcomes for the next 12 months. It looks pretty coherent from what I can read and what output it has generated. Four pillars of winning GTM engine, ICP and segmentation, positioning and messaging. Looks good. It has also created these kind of how do you call it, icons and bullets, which you can edit also. And some overlapping here like with the text and everything, which you can edit later. But I love the overall design. Like, so the way to use this tool is to have a basic kind of deliverable out there with AI, because it gives you the main structure of it. And from there, you can do your editing and fine tune it. But it gives you, I mean, I would say it does 70-80% of the work just like that for you, instead of making it from scratch, putting, the table of contents manually and stuff like that. It arranges everything for you. And you just have to do some manual tweaking here, and you are more than done with that. And any kind of content you want to edit, you can edit it as you wish accordingly, and it's done. And there you have it, the full presentation ready in a minute. How cool is that? So I hope you give this tool a try, and I really hope that you do subscribe. I'm really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and monetize this channel. I've been at it for a long time, guys, so please now subscribe, please. Thank you so much.